So, our labels are a simple, low-cost and effective tool to help us transition from an oil-based economy to something, again, cleaner and greener. Because climate change is tough to deal with. We know that. We've been struggling with it for 20 years. And there's three reasons why it is so tough. The first is it's a problem of no feedback. So we burn fossil fuels today. We don't see the impacts of doing so till down the road. Oftentimes, not even in the locality that we burn those fossil fuels. And we all know that the world's poor are suffering disproportionately from the impact of climate change, and they haven't been the ones who are even burning it. So we know, however, unfortunately, that studies of human behavior show that when humans do not receive immediate feedback to their actions, they do not take remedial behavior and make the appropriate behavioral changes. So we need, in effect, to link cause and effect, and our labels will do just that, supplying feedback immediately at the time that you will go and use, that you will fill your cars up with gasoline. The second reason is that climate change is so difficult to deal with is it's a problem of diffusion of responsibility. So we all use fossil fuels. We have to in the society we live in. We all have a carbon footprint. The problem is that while our individual contributions may be small, collectively the impact is quite large. And we know that when responsibility is shared amongst many people, people are less likely to take action. This problem of we're all responsible, therefore no one's responsible. So our labels remind people of their role in climate change in a very direct way and, in effect, put responsibility into the palm of your hand. The third reason why climate change is difficult to deal with is a problem of hidden externalities. So we all know that the price of a litre of oil contains a number of costs: extraction, refining, transportation, production, and say retail as well. It doesn't include costs such as the tax burden on the health dollar, on our health budget, from respiratory disease and asthma caused by pollution from cars and trucks, or upgrading coastal infrastructure because of rising seas and more violent storm surges, both of which are consequences of climate change. These externalities in red are very hard to incorporate into the price, and as you see with the carbon tax, with the rise and fall of the price of oil, that carbon tax is in effect invisible. You don't see it, and it doesn't help change behavior. So our labels will communicate externalities not quantitatively but qualitatively, and engage humans in a different manner independently of market and price signals.